Okay, this is the Lego truck train we made. It's like, remember the monkey sets that climb on the rope and stuff? We used that pack, the battery pack, and a train from the subway train set or something. Not just a bunch of regular pieces and wheels. And finally we came up with this. It goes forwards, reverse, but all without command. So I will make it go all the way to that wall by the outlet, way down there. Can you get that? Okay, without stopping. Unless it hits something, then we have to start over. And it succeeds. Now make it go in reverse all the way back. Yeah, a little error, so we must fix that. Okay. Now make it go in reverse all the way back. How about that, apples, people? Uh-oh, don't go upstairs. Oh, nuts. Yeah, that would have been bad, right? Okay, so, well, we sort of got a bit of damage done to the train. I'm going to rebuild it quickly so you all can see what it looks like. Cool, huh? Okay, I think we're done. Please subscribe to Waffle Dude 376 and put this video into your favorites.